Assalamu alaikum. Tomorrow we celebrate Eid al-Fitr, a time of joy, reflection, and gratitude after a blessed month of Ramadan. This year, our celebration comes at a challenging moment. Through the first week of the conflict, I was in Abu Dhabi. I saw up close the remarkable resolve and resilience of our people, Emiratis and residents alike. I saw the heroism and vigilance of our defense forces. They have been our shield. I saw the strength and caring of our leadership, deeply committed to protecting our country. And to Emiratis in America, and to Americans in the UAE, to everyone who has a friend or loved one or a business relationship in the Emirates, the UAE Embassy in Washington is open during Eid. My team and I are here to support you with whatever you need. And to those who have temporarily left the UAE, we look forward to welcoming you back to your second home after a wonderful spring break with your family. And to the UAE Armed Forces and our American partners, thank you for everything you do to protect us. It's certainly been a Ramadan like no other. Peace was tested, but our nation stood solid. The UAE is like no other country. We are an open and hopeful crossroads of faiths, ideas, and people, deeply rooted and true to our history and who we are. I hope every Emirati stands tall and proud during this moment. And as we saw during COVID, the UAE always adapts, rebuilds, and comes out stronger on the other side. After all, the most basic Emirati way of life is about being able to go to sleep at night knowing that tomorrow will be a better day. Eid Mubarak, and may this Eid bring peace, blessings, and brighter days ahead.